In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Wondershare Filmora on your PC or laptop. Open your preferred browser and search for Wondershare Filmora. Click on the official Wondershare website link. Once on the website, scroll down to locate Wondershare Filmora and click on it. You should see options to get started for free or buy now. To download the free version, click on Get Started for free. A download prompt will appear. Click Start Download to begin. Note that the free version allows you to test the software but will add a watermark to exported videos. For videos without watermarks, you'll need a paid plan. To access premium features, go back to the main Filmora page and click on Buy Now. You'll see several plans such as Basic, about $10 per month, and Advanced includes AI tools like text-to-speech, video enhancement, etc. Filmora offers a 7-day free trial on the premium version. Choose your desired plan and click on Buy Now. Scroll down to see the 7-day free trial option, after which a recurring billing will start. Be sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't wish to continue. Enter your email and proceed to continue with payment. Fill in your payment details. Wondershare offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied. A pop-up may offer an additional 10% discount. Click Get My 10% off if available. After completing the purchase, the download will start automatically. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the prompts to install Filmora 14. When installation is complete, open Filmora. At the bottom left, click Login. Enter the same account details you used to purchase Filmora to activate your free trial or premium plan. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Wondershare Filmora 14 on your PC or laptop. Enjoy creating amazing videos with Filmora.